Learn English. Hello! Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here every day with word games. Today's game is adverbs. It's for all levels. It will start easy and then get more difficult. Number 1. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. Did she go there? This means, did she go there already? Yet. Did she go there yet? Yet is an adverb. Number 2. Her mother will come here. The first missing letter is an O. Tonight. Her mother will come here tonight. Tonight is an adverb here. Bob said that he loved the food. This means totally, 100%. Absolutely. It's a very common word, especially when you're speaking for emphasis. Bob said that he absolutely loved the food. In this car, you have to change gears. This means by hand. It's not automatic. Manually. To do something manually equals to do something by hand. You have to use your hands. It's not automatic. The next one has this word. If you don't know what it means, please check your dictionaries. Bob works in a hotel. He always folds the sheets neatly. He always folds the sheets neatly. Did she kick Bob's chair by accident? Or this means on purpose. Deliberately. These three are all equal. She works and lives. This means in another country, not the country you are in. And the first missing letter is the second letter in the alphabet. She works and lives abroad, in another country. He had an accident. He was in the hospital and he cannot come back to work yet because he hasn't recovered sufficiently. He hasn't recovered sufficiently. It means enough for a particular purpose. She's a good worker. She's never late. This means in addition to what has been said. Furthermore. She's never late. Quite often this word is at the beginning of a sentence. He looks frightened. His hands are shaking. This means it's easy for everyone to see that his hands are shaking. Noticeably. Noticeably. His hands are shaking noticeably. Bye-bye.